In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the TCP or IP configuration in the SQL Server. So first of all, just open up the start menu and just right here in the search, SQL Configuration Manager, make sure that you have the SQL installed. Just click on it, click yes. And after that, just open up this SQL Server network configuration on our left. And the protocols is set to default whenever we have tried to install the SQL Server. And here, as we can see, the TCP IP is enabled, but if it is disabled, you can enable it. Click on no if you want to just upgrade that, click OK, and then just right click and enable it again, click OK. And after that, you can restart your PC. And before restarting the Windows or PC, just right here services. And once we are in the service, just press S on your keyboard and you can see this option SQL. The default instance is SQL Server MS SQL. Just right click here and click on restart, click yes. And that's pretty much it. After that, just quickly restart your PC and your TCP IP option in SQL Server will be properly enabled. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.